Hey, it's Yasir. One of the most common questions I get is, how can I start an online business without spending a ton of money up front? Dropshipping might be the answer. It's a business model that lets you sell products online without holding any inventory. With dropshipping, you only buy the product from your supplier after you've made a sale, meaning lower startup costs and less risk. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about dropshipping. Let's do this. So how does dropshipping work? Imagine you find a cool phone case online and list it on your store for $20. A customer buys it and you forward the order to your supplier who sells it for $10. They ship it directly to your customer and you keep the $10 profit. You're the middleman, connecting customers with products without touching the inventory. This means no warehouse, no stock management, and no shipping logistics. Dropshipping takes work, but the barrier to entry is significantly lower compared to traditional businesses. Ready to jump into dropshipping? The first step is to find your niche. You can't sell everything and expect success. Find a specific target audience and cater to their needs. Think about your passions and interests. What problems can you solve with a product? Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for. Look for products with high demand and low competition. You can succeed by putting your unique spin on an existing product or catering to a specific sub-niche. Once you've nailed down your niche, find reliable suppliers. Your supplier can make or break your business, so choose wisely. Platforms like AliExpress and Spocket connect dropshippers with suppliers. Pay attention to ratings and reviews. Look for suppliers with a proven track record. Reach out to suppliers directly and ask about their production process, shipping times, and return policies. A good supplier will be your partner in success, so build a strong relationship with them. With your niche and suppliers sorted, it's time to create your online storefront. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create a professional-looking website. Focus on a clean, visually appealing layout that's easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and write compelling product descriptions. Include essential pages like About Us, Contact Us, and a clear return policy. Make sure your checkout process is seamless and secure, and ensure your website is mobile-friendly. You've got amazing products and a killer website, but none of that matters if nobody knows your store exists. Social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer incredible opportunities. Experiment with different ad formats and target your ideal customer. Partner with influencers in your niche who can authentically promote your products. Create valuable content related to your niche to attract potential customers. Marketing is an ongoing process, so be patient, test different strategies, and track your results. Congratulations! You've launched your dropshipping store and the orders are rolling in. Now the real work begins, managing your business for long-term success. Customer service is king. Respond to inquiries promptly and address issues with care. Track your performance using analytics tools to monitor traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Experiment, adapt, and optimize your approach as you learn more about your audience. Dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, persistent, and never stop learning. So there you have it. Dropshipping can be an incredible way to break into entrepreneurship without breaking the bank. It's low risk, highly scalable, and gives you the freedom to be your own boss. Success in dropshipping requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Focus on building a sustainable business for the long haul. Find your niche, partner with reliable suppliers, build a fantastic online store, and market your heart out. Now go out there, take action, and build the dropshipping empire of your dreams. I'll see you at the top.